Making moves with across, an English preposition journey. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in English grammar, the simple preposition of movement, across. This little word plays a big role in describing movement and direction. So, let's dive in. When we talk about across, we are generally referring to movement from one side to another, often implying a clear or direct path. It's used to describe crossing over a flat area or surface. For example, she walked across the room. In this sentence, across is showing us that she moved from one side of the room to the other. Now let's see how across works in different contexts. You can use across to describe movement over various surfaces or areas. For example, he swam across the pool. The bird flew across the sky. It's interesting to note that across can also be used for more abstract ideas, such as experiences or actions that involve a range or variety. For instance, we came across many interesting cultures on our travels. It's crucial to avoid common mistakes when using across. We don't use across when talking about crossing something vertical like a mountain or hill. For such scenarios, we would use the preposition over. For example, he climbed over the mountain, not he climbed across the mountain. Let's do a short exercise to practice using across. I'll give you some sentences, and you fill in the blanks. 1. The cat ran, blank, the road. 2. I came, blank, a lovely cafe during my walk in the city. 3. They rode, blank, the lake to reach the other side. Correct answers are across, across, across. And that's it for today's lesson on the simple preposition of movement, across. Remember, across is all about moving from one side to the other, over a flat surface or area. Keep practicing to perfect your use of this preposition. I hope this lesson has been helpful and enriches your English language journey. See you next time.